So in this video, I want to go through some more challenging writing fractions in their simplest form problems. So let's start with number one here. We've got 72 over 192. So the first thing to notice is that the numerator and denominator are both even, so we can divide both of them through by 2. So 72 divided by 2 is 36, and 192 divided by 2. Right, quick little bit of short division here. So 2's into 1 can't go, 2's into 19 will go 9, 2 9's are 18 with 1 left over, 2's into 12 goes 6, so 96. Okay. Now both 36 and 96 are even, so we can divide through by 2 again. 36 divided by 2 is 18. And 96 divided by 2, well, that's just a quick bit of short division. 2's into 9, go 4 with 1 left over. 2's into 16, go 8. So 48. Now 18 and 48, they're both even. So we can divide top and bottom by 2 again, and we're going to get 9 over 24. Now, 9 and 24 aren't both even, so we can't divide top and bottom by 2, but 9 and 24 are both divisible by 3. So we can divide 9 by 3 to get 3, and divide 24 by 3 to get 8. And so 72 over 192 is equivalent to 3/8. Okay, now you may have been able to do some jumps quicker there and do it in less stages. That's fine, okay? So I'm trying to take this step by step, just showing you kind of methods that you could use. So let's take a look at question number 2. We've got 315 over 210. Now, unfortunately, they're not both even, so we can't divide through by 2. But we've got a 5 and a 0, so that means they can both be divided by 5. So 315 divided by 5. Right, well, you might be able to do that in your head, or you can use a bit of short division. 5's into 3 goes 0, 5's into 31 goes 6, with 1 left over, 5's into 15 go 3, so 63. And 5's into 210, again, you can use a bit of short division if you like. So 210, 5's into 2 goes 0, 5's into 21 go 4, with 1 left over, 5's into 10 go 2, so 42. Okay, so we've simplified it down to 63 over 42. Now we can't divide top and bottom by 2, unfortunately, but can we divide top and bottom by 3? So does 3 go into the numerator and the denominator? Well, 3 is definitely going to go into 63 and 42, in fact, so because the sum of the two digits adds up to a number that can be divided by 3. 6 plus 3 is 9, which is in the 3 times table. 4 plus 2 is 6. Which is in the 3 times table. So that's all good to go. 63 divided by 3 is 21. 42 divided by 3 is 14. Now, 21 and 14. We can't divide top and bottom by 3, but 7 goes into both top and bottom. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. And 14 divided by 7 is 2. So 315 over 210 is the same as 3/2. Okay. Right, let's take a look at question number 3. Now, with question number 3, we've got 8,640 over 7,560. Now, yes, they are both even, so we can divide through by 2. However, notice first that both have a 0 on the end, so they both have 10 as a common factor. So we can divide both of them by 10. It essentially gets rid of the 0. So we've got 864 over 756. Now, both of those are even, so we can divide through by 2. So you might be able to do that in one line, so that's 432 for the numerator. And for the denominator, 2's into 7 go 3 with 1 left over. 2's into 15 go 7 with 1 left over. 2's into 16 go 8. So I've essentially been doing some short division there, which if you want to do it on the side you can. Right, both of these are even, so we can do that again. So 432 divided by 2 will be 2. 2's into 3 go 1 with 1 left over. 2's into 12 go 6. And then we've got 2's into 3 go once. 2's into 17 go 8 with 1 left over. 2's into 18 go 9. Okay, so we've got 216 over 189. Now, they're not both even, so we can't divide through by 2. Can we divide through by 3? 2 plus 1 plus 6 is 9, so that's divisible by 3. 1 plus 8 plus 9 is 18, which is also divisible by 3. So we can divide through by 3 here, and the numerator we're going to get 72, and in the denominator we're going to get 63. Now again, both of those are in the 3 times table. So dividing 72 by 3, we're going to get 24. Over 63 divided by 3 is 21. Now 24 and 21 are also both in the 3 times table. So 24 divided by 3 is 8, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. So 8/7. And that is as far as I can go, because the highest common factor of 8 and 7 is 1. So 8,640 over 7,560 simplifies to 8/7.